Hey fashion junkies, long time no see. So I know I've been posting shorts here and there, not even on a consistent basis, but I've just been being a mom and just taking things one day at a time. I'm finally getting around to decorating my home. I ordered these really cute bar stools. They are a terracotta color and it matched my rug perfectly. So I'm gonna do my living room terracotta in like this blue, sea blue color. I think that's gonna be really pretty. And the design of the week was the tan and camo army jacket. This one is a one of one, and the feedback on it was amazing. So I think I'm going to try to produce a few more, depending on the fabric, because camo has been very scarce lately. But yeah, I definitely want to make some more of these. So you can just watch me cut and sew a few pieces here and there, and then stay for the end of the video so you can see how it turned out. And again, hey fashion junkies, I hope you all are doing well, and stay tuned for more videos.